Hello everyone, how's it going? This is Fluidity of Life. Welcome to our channel. My name is Glenn. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on digipower Super Essential Vlogging Kit. Go viral. Let's see what it looks like here. It comes in a box. Got a little handle on it. You can hold it. This kit comes with a microphone, 50 LED light, 3 color diffusers, microphone, tripod, bracket, and a smartphone and action camera mount on it. So it's got pretty much everything you need for starting vlogging kit. Also the back here. You can see that or not. I'll show you the inside. See what's all comes in the box and all the accessories and stuff that come with it. They do have it on the front box. Right now I'm using the LED light. It's got rechargeable. It's got 3 different stages. You can go dim, medium, and bright. And without, you just hold it down and it shuts off. So it does give pretty good light actually. But it is a little bit bright, but the diffusers help a little bit. The microphone also works. That's also what I'm using as I'm doing the vlog here, so that's working. Also has a remote control for the Bluetooth for your camera. You can just for clicking and turning on and off your recording or taking pictures with the remote. That's here. With a nice little button, it pairs with your Bluetooth. Just hold the button down and put the camera on, and it should pair or sync with it. My Samsung S4 didn't because it's got a vocal in it. So, but my wife's newer phone did pair with it. So. That's good. So that came with the battery in it already, and it also has an extra battery that comes with it. And the light comes with the cord. It's rechargeable, so that recharges through the USB port. It's got the 3 diffusers, as I told you. It's got white. It's got a white diffuser to take away glare, and then it's got warm for orange, and it's got cool. So you got 3 different diffusers. It comes with pretty basic instructions and a couple different languages, as you can see. And that's what it looks like. Shows you all the pieces of it and everything. Some of the pieces come inside the leg, the tripod leg. On the back side, there's inside the back, they're tucked in, so you have to find them. At first, you don't notice, but they're there, and also the little remote control has a stove place on the tripod itself that you can put it in there, and it clicks in, so you can keep it with you on the tripod. It holds it, and you just push it and it comes out, so it holds it quite nicely. It's made out of plastic, so it's pretty light. It does hold the phone pretty good with the spring on it to hold your regular cell phone. But if you have a case on it or something, a little bit kind of wide, and I don't like to hold on to it the best. If you take off your case or whatever, depending on the size of your phone, it should hold your phone decent. Let's take a look at what the tripod looks. I'll have to switch my position here so you can see what it looks like. Here's the tripod, all assembled. There's the light when it's on. It's also got three, like I said, three different light, dim, medium, and bright. That's a medium, and then bright. Microphone. It's got like a little switch on the side. Turn it on and off for camera or phone. You just hit the switch there and it'll turn on your microphone when it's plugged in. Put it on phone or camera. It's also got a wind breaker for the wind, which is kind of nice. There's the bottom of the tripod. Got the little spot there to hold your remote. Got three legs. It could be a little bit wider. It's a little bit kind of tipsy because of the microphone and the light on the top. So it does kind of like want to fall to one side. Got an adjustment here so you can spin 360 degrees. Right here. It's got the little nut on the back so you can tighten it or loosen it so you can move it around. Pretty flexible. You can get in a lot of different positions, but since it is kind of tippy on one side, it likes to tip over a little bit if you don't watch out, so I want to be aware of that. The reason I did a review on the digipower Super Essential Vlogging Kit was because I was looking for something simple since I just started vlogging. Didn't want to pay a lot of money. They got it at Walmart like 29, 30 bucks. I was able to find mine on Facebook for 18 something from somebody in town selling it, so I bought it. So I saved myself 10 bucks on that. As for a review, it's actually pretty good for a basic. It's got a microphone, it's got the light, rechargeable light, it's got three different brightness so you can turn it on and off higher if you want. It's got the diffuser, the tripod holds your phone, it's got a button for your Bluetooth for turning your camera on and off or your recording. So it actually works pretty good. I mean, it's a little bit tippy to one side, as I said, because of the weight with the microphone and the light. And it's so light because it's plastic, so I'm not sure how durable it is. But, I mean, for basic vlogging and for around the house, I think it's a pretty good thing. I'd probably give it about a, I don't know, 6.5 out of 10, I guess. I mean, I don't got a lot to compare with, but, I mean, for basic, easy to assemble and to get started at home, I think it's a pretty good buy, especially for the price. So if you got any comment and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead. I may be doing more reviews in the future, and I got other vlogging I'm working on, a lot of editing and all that stuff you got to figure out along the way. So I think it'll work pretty good for you. So bye for now, take care, and see you on the next vlog.